The AO Smith GCG-50 ProMax Tall Gas Water Heater. The AO Smith GCG-50 ProMax Tall Gas Water Heater surely deserves a place in any list that compiles the best 50-gallon water heaters. Similar to both the AO Smith GCR-50 LP ProMax gas water heater and the AO Smith XCR-50 ProMax heater, this model features a blue diamond glass coating that provides splendid resistance to corrosion thanks to its glass lining. Furthermore, this model also has an internal microprocessor that offers tighter differentials and advanced operating parameters for quicker heating response and accurate sensing. Additionally, this heater includes an electronic gas control that incorporates an LED status indicator. This indicator monitors service diagnostic and system operation. Moreover, the heater's anode rods feature a stainless steel core that prolongs the life of the anode rod. That allows better tank protection for considerably longer than regular anode rods. Here are some pros. 1. Lower sediments and lime, and that assists in providing maximum hot water. 2. Fulfills the NAECA's regulations and standards. And 3. Perfect for households with high demand for hot water. And here's the con. Not the power vent water heater.